Thanks, Pat. The Pentagon's working on a UAP report to Congress. I think it was due on Halloween. Has any version of that report, either classified or unclassified, been delivered? And if not, do you have an ETA on when that might be sent up to the Hill?
Yeah, thanks. So my understanding is that report is being prepared by the Office of the DNI, Director of National Intelligence, so I'd refer you to them in terms of the status. So I'm afraid I won't have anything further until that report comes out.
If I could just follow up, there's been some reporting that Chinese drones may be monitoring U.S. military operations. Has the Pentagon UAP office, I think it's called Arrow now, has it discovered that China is using drones to watch U.S. forces or gather information as part of this process, UAP process?
Sure. I don't have any information on that at the moment, but we'll look into that and come back to you.